Crab. Some crabs can regrow their lost claws like magic flushed face. Manta ray. Manta rays look like they're flying underwater with huge wing-like fins. Sea turtle. Sea turtles always return to the same beach where they were born, desert island. Penguin. Penguins propose with a pebble to find a mate. Dolphin. Dolphins sleep with one eye open and half their brain awake. Great white shark. Great white sharks can smell a drop of blood from far away, face screaming in fear. Octopus. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood, blue heart. Seal. Seals can hold their breath underwater for up to 2 hours, astonished face. Hammerhead sharks have 360 degrees vision thanks to their wide head eyes. Belugas can change the shape of their head to make funny expressions, grinning face with smiling eyes. Anglerfish. Anglerfish use a glowing light on their head to attract prey in the dark light bulb. Whale. Some whales sing songs that can be heard across entire oceans' musical notes. Seahorse. Male seahorses are the ones who get pregnant and give birth exploding head.
Bats are the only mammal that can fly like birds. Isn't that amazing? A Pupperland. Let's see what's inside. A walrus. A walrus can whistle and bark loudly to talk to its crew. Giraffe. A giraffe has the same number of neck bones as humans, just much bigger. Amazing! Monkey. Some monkeys can learn to use tools like sticks to get food from high trees. Squirrel. Squirrel hide nuts and sometimes forget them. Shark have been on Earth before the dinosaurs. Isn't that amazing? Every lifespan of a tiger is lived by years. Zebra sleep standing up in groups to stay safe. Dolphins give each other special names like nicknames. Kangaroo. Baby kangaroos are called joeys.
Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo.
Turtle.